plain khaki sari in linen. And so if you want to buy this sari, you can just 2.5 meter long. Okay, see here the work table, and this is the body area. Okay, you will. So hey sister, welcome to Bhagalpuri textile. So today we have this pure tissue sari, linen hand embroidered sari, and this too is pure linen by linen. Okay, so these are the four sarees which gonna show today. So wait, I'm just opening this saree and showing you the full view of the saree. Okay, so let's start with this first one, linen hand embroidered saree. This is in pink color. You can see, and you can see here. This is the customized work of the customer given. Okay, see here. In this saree, you will get this full work all over the sari, which is around 4.5 meter. Okay, so I'm just opening this sari and showing you the full view of the sari. So sister, you can see this is the full view of this pure linen sari. Okay, and here you can see this is the palla area. Okay, in palla you'll get these beautiful tassels which is of pink and white combinations. Okay, and see the work here. This is in 2.5 meter long. Okay, see here the work. This is 100% handwork. Okay, this is the lower part, and you can see the upper part here. In upper part, you will get this 3 inch of work, and in lower part, you will get this in 6 to 9 inch of work. Okay, so this is the body palla area, and here is the body area. Okay, see this is the body, and you can see the blouse piece too. This is the blouse piece which is of around 1 meter. Okay, and in the blouse piece you will get this hand work in both the hand side. Okay, so if you want to buy this saree, you can just check our website. Okay, so wait for the second saree. I'm just showing. So here we have this second saree which is in linen. Okay, and we call this khaki color linen saree. Okay, you can see the texture of the fabric. I'm just showing you from close view. See, this is 100% pure linen by linen. Okay, so I'm just opening this sari and showing you the full view of the sari. Okay, so just a minute. See the texture of the fabric. Okay, so I'm just opening this sari and showing you the full view of the sari. Wait. So you can see here, this is the full video of this plain khaki sari in linen, and you can see this is the palla. Okay, in palla you will get this chudi pattern we call, and you can see the golden border with this red piping we call. Okay, and here you can see this is the contrast blouse piece which is of red color. Okay, so this is the full view of the sari, and this is the body area, and the total length of this sari is 6.5 meter, 1 meter blouse piece which is attached in sari. Okay, so this is the second sari. So if you want this sari, you can check our website. Okay, and wait for the third sari. I'm just showing you. So sister, you can see this is the third sari which is in linen. Okay, you can see this is mahapad we call. This is mahapad pink border. See the border, and you can see this is the body area. Okay, this is exclusive linen collections we have, and see the texture of the fabric, pure linen. Okay, and here's the blouse piece which is of 1 meter. So wait, I'm just opening this sari and showing you the full view of the sari. Wait. So sister, you can see this is the open video of this pure linen sari, and see here this is the palla. Okay, in palla you will get this beautiful tassels. Okay, which is of two color combination which we mix with this sari. See here, this is the palla, and see the flowy texture of the fabric. Okay, this is very lightweight and comfortable, and this is the body area. Okay, you will get this broad border in lower side and 3 inch of border in upper side. Okay, so see the blouse piece, This is the contrast blouse piece, which is of 1 meter. Okay, so the total length of this saree is 6.5 meter, which is included with this 1 meter blouse piece. So if you want to buy this saree, you can check our website. So wait for the second saree, which I'll just showing. Wait. So this is the last saree, which is for today's video. You can see this is a metallic tissue, and this is very this is high in demand. Okay, you can see I'm just showing this is metallic pink color we call, and color gets little change because of the lighting effect, and this is high in demand. Okay, so I'm just showing you the view of the sari. So wait, I'm just opening this metallic tissue and showing you the full view of the sari. So you can see this is the open video of this metallic tissue sari, and you can see this is the palla. Okay, in palla you will get these stripes woven zari here, and see the tassels, which is of two color combination, pink with this golden metallic color. Okay, see the texture of the fabric. This is very flowy and lightweight and pure fabric. Okay, see the fabric quality from this above. See, in this saree you will get this little border, and we call this borderless metallic tissue. So if you want to buy this saree, you can just check our website. And this is for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this, then please follow and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.